Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the voice language on the Green Hell PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Green Hell game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, in order to change the audio language, you will need to go into the options menu. Once you click on options, click on the very first option where it says game. And now you will see the dialogue language, which is the second menu. Click on the left or right arrow to cycle between the various different languages that are available. Once you have found your desired language, you can click on the accept button and then confirm your decision to save the changes. And now you can start playing with your chosen audio language for the game right away. You can switch this at any point of time if you wish by once again going back into the game options and then using the toggle to cycle between your desired language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio or voice language on the Green Hell PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.